All right, I missed this obviously. It didn't go through the practice part of it, but we'll do this anyway. Um, all right, how do we simplify an algebraic expression? What do we do with an algebraic expression to simplify it? We look for like terms. So things, in this case here, if we look at the algebraic expression here, oh, you're a bugger. All right. If you look at this algebraic expression here, right, we look for like terms. We got x's, and we got whole numbers, right? And we got y's, okay? But what do we have to do first? We have to multiply the 3 through that, don't we? So let me just reduce this down a little bit so I have something to work off of here. All right. If I take a look at this equation, 3 times 4x plus 5, 5y. Let's just look at this first. All right. What do I have to do? I got to multiply this 3 through. I got to get rid of parentheses, right? Get rid of any addition we can do, any multiplication we can do to simplify. All right, and then we have 2 times 3x minus 7y. All right, so I'm going to take a look at this first. I'm going to multiply my 3 through. 3 times a 4, 3 times a 5. I come up with 12x plus 15y. Remember, when you multiply that 3 through, it has to go through both of these. Okay? What do I multiply here? Reese, what do I multiply through? Negative 2. This is really important, guys. Negative 2 gets multiplied through there. So we have a negative 2 times a 3x, which is a negative 6x. A negative 2 times a negative 7 is? Yeah. 14, right? The negatives cancel each other out, make a positive. So this is a plus 14y. So that's the first thing we have to do. We have to multiply these numbers through. Now we can combine like terms. The x's can combine and the y's can combine. 12x minus 6x, 6x. 15y plus 14y. Nikki? 29. And it's a plus, right? So we can say plus 29y. All right? Now, what did they do here? They gave x a number. And they said, figure it out. Yeah, in this case here, they gave x and y a number. They gave x 3. They said x equals 3 and y equals negative 2. All right, so what do you do? What do you do, Preston? What do we do? If they give us, okay, we reduced it here, right? And they gave, yeah, we just plug them in, right? 6 times 3 plus 2 times, 29 times negative 2. All right? What does that come out to? 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 29 times 2 would be 58. But we have a negative here, so it's a negative 58. What's 18 plus a negative 58? This is always a tough one for people because you're adding into a negative. It's like, here's what you do. Subtract it. Right? They're two different signs. Subtract it. Take the sign of the larger number. 50. 58. Yep. Subtract it. Take the sign of the larger one. So you go in minus 58. That's a 50. Plus 18 equals minus 40. Boom, hey? All right. You guys see how you do that? You're good? All right.